Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Bilal Saeed working as a software developer at Soft Digital Systems Limited, Karachi, Pakistan. In this video, I will be describing some of the major features and enhancements we provided in Hotfix 13. Before I begin, I believe that you must know that not only we provided new features, but we also fixed hundreds of bugs, which I will not be able to explain each and every one of them in this video. So let's begin. Send mobile application notification. One of the major features of this release include mobile notification. This screen is available on both SCM, which is our admin console, and ESS, the employee self portal. This screen is very useful in those cases where you want to remind your employees when to check in or check out, because it may happen that some of your employees may forget to check in or check out. Or this is also very useful in those cases where you want to send them holiday greetings such as Eid Mubarak or any other greetings. And one good thing about these notifications is that they are free of cost and you can send them as many as you want. So here you can see this is the basic layout of that screen. It has 3 input fields: 2 employees where you can select your notification recipients, subject field where you can type in your subject, and thus notification text, which is the body. So when you click on send button, it will appear like this. On the mobile application, you can see it has a new notification from SmartHCM. You can see our logo here. Please do check in attendance. This is the subject. And dear Mr. Saab, please do check in attendance now by SmartHCM. It's just saying what you can type in whatever you want in the subject. Alright. So not only you can send notification to a single employee, but you can also select them using these 6 filters, such as you can select them based on their geolocation, organization location, grade, employee type, category, and employee status. And when you are done sending a notification, you can view delivery status summary of your send notification here. And if you want to view the status, if you want to view the individual status of your notification, like you sent a notification to 200 employees and you would like to see which employees have got the message, they got the notification, so you can click on the view button. It will show you like this. It will show you a new window here. As you can see that 2 of the employees have got the message. You can see that their status is sent, and other 3 did not get the notification because due to some technical problems or some network problems, because we cannot guarantee that the notification which we are sending from our application will always be delivered. It may be lost. One of the major enhancements in Hotfix 13 is the customization of sending and viewing files in Office Support Portal. Prior to this enhancement, only single file selection was possible with predefined file formats, which means you could only send one file at a time with one ticket. Now you can attach as many files you want in a single ticket and in chat window. You can also define your own file types, and files of those types will be sent. As you can see here, some of the files have red mark on them. This is because their types are not defined in system default. And in ticket detail screen, we also created a whole new attachment viewer, which can now show all documents, for example PDF, Word document, Excel sheets, text files, and so on, and images as well. Showing time as per end user time zone. Another feature we provided in Hotfix 13 is user showing date time as per user defined time zone. Prior to this feature, system would only show server time. For example, if the server is in Saudi Arabia, the system will show time of Saudi Arabia despite your time zone. So our team worked really hard and tirelessly to accommodate time zone feature throughout all of our applications, including SCM, ESS, mobile application for iOS and Android. As you can see here, when a user checks in or checks out from his mobile application, the system will show him time according to his selected time zone. And earlier, system would show him its own time, the server time, which was very confusing to some of our clients. So that's why we introduced this time zone feature. You can select your desired time zone from both SCM and ESS. You can also lock your selected time zone. The purpose of locking your selected time zone is that when you log in from another country after some time, your last selected time zone will be lost. So if you want to keep seeing time throughout application in one particular time zone, then you must lock that time zone. We created a new report called Appraisal Increment Advice, which suggests which employees should get a raise. And you can export this report to various formats such as PDF, Word, Excel, and so on. Redesign leave request screen. Redesign of leave request screen is yet another major enhancement. Earlier this screen had no filters and there was no other way of sorting data. You can now view data in a much better way, and it allows you to add new leave requests on separate canvas. In advanced search box, you can query your data from a number of search filters. You can also sort your data here based on your favorite fields, and you can also choose in which order you want to sort your data, either in ascending or descending. So it was all about very big enhancement and new features. Now I am moving on to other features we provided in this release. Now employee name, position, geolocation, organization location, country, city and province are now shown according to selected language. We have added 3 new fields: designation, company and email address in referee tab in employee information screen. We have also added 2 new fields called payroll month and employee payroll remarks in eBank file generation. Guardian CNIC, guardian date of birth and contact number fields have been added in additional tab in employee information screen. Besides, new letter tags, passport number and passport expiry date have been added. New read-only field, direct supervisor, has been added in employee information screen, which shows employee direct supervisor from organogram. The very same field has been added in employee data export report. So there was a case scenario with one of our clients that their profile pictures in employee information screen kept changing, and there was no way of knowing who was making such changes. So we added a new image field in audit log, which now shows a low resolution image if any photo related changes are made. System will now calculate outstanding installment amount and outstanding loan deductions in final settlement screen. And there was also another case scenario where emails would not deliver. After hours of debugging, our team found out that client email certificate had expired. So we added a new parameter called enable disable SSL certificate, which can now be set to false in case email certificate has expired. We also embedded readme.txt file with attendance utility, which automatically opens when installation is finished. It enlists all possible steps to troubleshoot the system in case application does not fetch data from the attendance machine. Okay, as I mentioned before, we fixed hundreds of bugs, provided support to implementation team, resolved their issues on the fly, all of the issues which cannot be listed here. But you can find those resolved issues on our website wiki.smarthcm.com. Last but not least, customer satisfaction is our highest priority. All of the enhancements and new features could not be provided without your feedback. So we are always listening. If you have questions, please write them in the comment box below, or you can contact us at support@smarthcm.com. Thank you for listening. Assalamu alaikum.